I'll be joining the breakout room now. So my students are coming. Let them just come to the breakout room directly.
Okay, okay. There is a Samuel Matthews here.
Samuel and Bukari, I think you're in my class.
Okay, Bukari has
Join the
left.
breakout room, Samuel and Bukari.
Samuel is still here.
Please, ma, we'll be right back.
Okay, it's fine, Elliot. All right. I want to play a video. So let me share my screen before I proceed.
Something is pressing the message.
Something is what?
Something.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, but I've not seen the video.
What's up, Scratchers? Today, we're turning numbers into superheroes. Curious? Let's go. So what's a variable? Imagine it like a little box where you can store something special. In Scratch, we use variables to keep track of things like scores in a game or even your favorite number. Let's say you're creating a game and you want to keep score. You'd make a variable called score and set it to 0 at the start. Every time you get a point, you add 1 to that variable. Easy peasy, right? Or maybe you want to store your favorite number. Create a variable, name it my number, and set it to, let's say, 7. Now, whenever you need your favorite number, you just use my number. Variables help us remember important things while our game or project is running. They're super handy and really fun to use. So go ahead, give it a try in Scratch. You've got this. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
The video is talking about what? Who can tell me the keyword about the video? What's the video about? Anybody? Don't tell me. Okay, Melody, go ahead.
Numbers.
Oh, maybe close. Not yet. Samuel,
Yeah,
go ahead. Go ahead and talk.
Bye.
Huh? Now, why did you raise your hand? I don't know that word to say.
Now, Elliot, there was a keyword that kept repeating in the video. You can't tell me you didn't. None of you. Elliot, now tell me, what was the keyword? I'm going to play the video again. But before I do that, I want somebody to guess. Like, there is no guesswork here. So I played a
Scratch.
video. Okay, what is it? What is it?
Scratch.
Oh, no. Melody again. Let me hear
Funny,
you.
ma. Leave me, ma.
Oyade has
Turning
joined.
numbers into superheroes.
Oh, Melody. Samuel, you too. Elliot, can you try? No problem. Now, everybody listen.
Listen.
Listen, I'm going to play the video again. What did I say? Listen.
What's up, Scratchers? Today, we're turning numbers into superheroes. Curious? Let's go. So what's a variable? Imagine it like a little box where you can store something special. In Scratch, we use variables to keep track of things like scores in a game or even your favorite number. Let's say you're creating a game and you want to keep score. You'd make a variable called score and set it to 0 at the start. Every time you get a point, you add 1 to that variable. Easy peasy, right? Or maybe you want to store your favorite number. Create a variable, name it my number, and set it to, let's say, 7. Now, whenever you need your favorite number, you just use my number. Variables help us remember important things while our game or project is running. They're super handy and really fun to use. So go ahead, give it a try in Scratch. You've got this. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
Now, everybody should tell me. Every one of you.
Variables.
Good. Thank you. A round of applause for Melody, you guys were not listening initially when I played the video. Now, Samuel, what can you tell me about variable? What did he say? What did the video say about variables?
And be used for game.
Variables can be used for game.
It can be used to store. It's more like a store. Something you use to store, like a box, yes. Variables can be likened to a box. And what do you use boxes for? You store things in a box. What did I just say? What, in a nutshell, if you're asked what a variable is, you liken a variable to a box. And what do we use boxes for? We use boxes to store, for storage. We store things in boxes. Are we good to go? Or you want to see the video once again? But the project we're working on today is the dot and the rock game. So it's going to explain how variables work. Can we proceed now?
Yes, ma.
Now,
Yes,
Elliot,
ma.
Your hand.
you refresh my memory, sorry, on what we did in the last class. Like, what can you remember about the last class? In the last class, we dwelled on motion. We used several blocks on our project. Now, Melody, go ahead.
We made our own backdrop.
Great. We made our own backdrop. We are able to, now you can paint your own backdrop. You can use the motion block. You know how to use the motion block. It's all about movement. Anything that has to do with movement, you go to where? The motion block. That was the, yes, that was the basis of our project for the last class. Today, we will be using variable in our project, and we'll be working on the words dot and rock game. What did I call it?
Rock and the dot game.
All right. Have we all opened our Scratch application? Can you see my screen? My TurboWrap is up. Once your TurboWrap is up, delete the initial sprite that is showing, like I just did. So my stage is empty. My coding area is empty.
Empty.
All right. Are we set? I saw Fee. Is Fee still in class?
Mom, I want to go and tell my mom something.
What are you telling your mom? You are in class. What do you want to tell her? Huh?
On your
Oyade?
video.
Oyade, can you hear me? Is she here? Oyade? All right, let's proceed. Okay, what did I say we are working on today? Who can remind me the topic? I just mentioned it. The dot and the rock. The dot and the what? The dot and the rock. So we'll be using two sprites today. The dots and the rocks. Now let's go to our sprites library. Let's go to our sprites library. If you have question, call my attention. Do you understand? So let's go to our sprites library.
I want show
My screen. I brought out my dot sprite already. Then I go back to the sprite library to bring out the rocks. Can you see that? Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am, but which thing should we bring out?
I said bring out the dots and the rock sprite. You saw what I just did. Go to your sprite library.
I've gone to my sprite library.
Now bring out your dot sprite and your rocks sprite. You can see my screen clearly, right? Samuel.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. I can't see it clearly.
What is it that you cannot see on my screen?
The dots and the rocks library.
Go to the sprite library.
I've
Oh,
gone
yeah.
to.
Do you have your sprite now? Emmanuel, just give me a reaction if you have your sprite up already. Emmanuel, how many of us has
Ma'am,
this
can you help me to spell dots?
DOT? Then rocks, ROCKS. Those are the two sprites that we are working with. Emmanuel confirmed he has the two sprites.
DO what?
DOT, dots. Onyade has the two sprites. Who else? Melody, how about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Elliot, how about you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, I've not asked the sprite. Ma'am?
Yeah?
Yes.
You have the two sprites now. All
No,
right.
ma'am.
You see it.
I did not ask the two sprites.
You did not do what?
I've not asked the two sprites. I not see it.
Hold on. Now share your screen, Samuel. Let me see what you're doing. Do you know how to share your screen?
Yes, I'll share it.
I can't see your screen. Share it.
I'll share it, ma'am.
How many of us can see Samuel's screen?
I can't, ma'am.
Your screen is not up, Samuel. You are not sharing screen. Do you know where to go to? Okay, it's coming up now. Now, in the search bar, type dot.
I'm typing it, but I didn't see it in that my thing.
You are doing what?
I'm typing the dot, but I can't see it.
Is your it's not hanging now because I'm not sure it's hanging. Um, put your cursor in the search bar, Samuel. Do you understand? Here, click where I just marked. Can you see the arrow I draw?
No.
Can anybody see what click there?
I click on it, but it's bringing one night.
Just click and type DOT. Now type DOT. Let me see what happens. You have taken the cursor away again, Samuel. Is your mommy
Type
close
it,
by?
but
Maybe your
no,
system
she's
is
in the
hanging.
kitchen.
She's in the kitchen. Can you call her attention? I hope your computer is not hanging.
DOT, but I don't see it.
You want to mute your mic?
No, I want to I'm that good. I'm typing the channel, and I did not see it yet.
Dot. Keyboard is not working again. Oh,
Is the system
God.
hanging? Samuel's mom.
Yes, ma.
The system is hanging. He said he's not able to type.
Yes, the keyboard is not
Okay.
typing,
I
except I
thought.
go up and on it again.
Okay,
What do
you
you
have to
want?
turn off the.
The system.
Why don't you do Control-Delete? Did it work?
Okay, let me try that. It didn't work.
Okay, you might need to go out of the class and return.
Yes, let me just restart the system. I'll be back.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm sharing my screen again. Confirm when you can see my screen. Do you understand? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma.
All right.
Yes, ma. What did you put here? Shift your hand.
Now let's all click on our dots. Click on your dot sprite. You can see where my cursor is. Have you clicked on the dot sprite? Now we want to write the code for our dot sprite. Do we understand? Melody, why is your video turned off? Turn it on. Are we all set? Nobody is saying anything. Give me a reaction if you cannot unmute.
Yes, ma.
All right.
Don't you want to be wasting time? I will tell mom. What? Sorry, I'm not using it.
Mute your
I'm not.
mic. Melody, mute your mic. All right. The first thing that we're going to do is what? Before we start coding, we want to give a trigger. Am I correct? So, who is going first to tell me what?
We are going to search for it. Hmm? What?
The thing I'm looking for.
What?
It is that's the thing I'm looking for. Yes.
Where do you want to press dot before?
Please do that already. That and work.
Ah,
Your hand is raised, Elliot. Elliot, your hand is raised. Do you have any question? Melody, what do you want to say?
yeah, come and bring out.
Melody, your hand
There's
is
a
raised.
message about Samuel. He said he can't hear you. He said he can't hear you in the chat box.
Okay.
Can hear you now.
Samuel is back now.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Thank you, Melody.
Okay. You're welcome.
All right, we want to give a trigger before we proceed. What are we going to do?
Come and bring out this. Bring it out again.
Someone should tell me
We are
what to
going
do
to
now.
trigger.
We are going to trigger. I love that. And to trigger, which block are we going to go to?
When click flag.
When flag click is on which of the blocks?
Event.
Great. Event. So we go to event. Everybody go to event and bring out when flag click. Are we good?
Yes, thank you.
Now we want to set the position of our dot sprite on the stage. We want to do what? We want to set the position of our dot. What to set position? Where do we go to? We go to the motion block. And what block am I going to work with now? If you remember what I've taught you
I'm
about
going to
setting.
work on the motion block.
We are in motion already. So what block am I working with? Can anybody remember?
Event.
It's not event. So bring out your
Variable.
go to X, Y coordinate. Go to X, Y coordinate. We want to, that tells us the position where our sprite is on the stage. If your X is negative and your Y is negative, the sprite is positioned towards the bottom of the stage. But when the sprite moves up, just watch
Is it
what is
motion
going
that we are
on.
going to?
What did you say?
Is it motion that we are going to?
Go to motion and bring out the go to XY block. Do you understand? So let's change this to minus 190, 196.
Is it this one, ma?
Is it where?
Is it that place that I go to?
Look at my screen.
Then
Is my screen clear? Onyade confirm. Elliot confirm. Can everybody see my screen clearly?
No.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not seeing your. I can't
Onyade,
see your screen, ma.
you can't see my screen. Onyade, can you see my screen? I can't hear you, Onyade. Onyade, we can't hear you. Something is wrong with your volume. Unmute and say something. You unmuted and said something and we didn't hear you. Now say something. Check your volume, Oyade. Check it. We can't hear you. Now, Samuel, can you see my screen now? Oyade, check your audio. You are saying something, but I can't hear you.
I'm just seeing motion ball. I'm just seeing now the double wap thing.
Now, let's go back to our events blog and bring out when space. How many of us know the space key on our keyboard?
Space key. Is it that one that is like? Is it that one that he has one?
That's the longest button on our keyboard. That's the space key. So,
Is it the
Melody,
one-
your hand is raised. Unmute and talk.
Ma, is it that place is it that place that yes, one arrow there?
If you look at my screen, Samuel, are you listening?
Me.
Yes.
I can hear you now, Onyade. Samuel, are you listening to me?
Too
Yes,
loud.
ma.
All right. Go to events. Click on this event block. You can see my screen, right? And then you now bring out the when space key press block. You bring it out.
Those
Let
are
me take this back and bring. This is the key, the block I'm working with. Did you see it?
No.
You can't see it. But my screen is clear now. Why can't you see it, Samuel?
But I'm not seeing all those motion double
You can
wap
go to
thing.
the toilet, Elliot. Oh, yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Okay, Melody, can you see my screen? I hope Samuel's laptop is not acting up again. Melody, where are you? Your video is turned off. Stop scribbling on the screen, Melody. And turn on your video now. Turn on your video.
How?
Emmanuel, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Okay, great. So, Samuel, I hope your system is not acting up again. Every other person can see my screen. Okay, so we are proceeding. Now we want to change the position of y by 10. Change y by 10. Can anybody tell me what block we are getting that from? Can anybody guess? Anybody? Change
It's
y.
from motion blocks.
Great. For motion, then you bring the block, change y. Let's all do that. Go to motion block, then bring out the change y by 10 block. Now, I explained the repeat last week, right? I explained the repeat block last week. That's in our last class. So we want to wrap this in a loop. So that's control. Bring out the repeat 10 block and place your change y by 10 in it. It means we are going to be changing y by 10, and then we're going to repeat that step 10 times. We'll still go back to motion. Bring out the change y block again.
All the blocks already concreted. You didn't bring out any.
We're going to make it minus 10. At the same time, we're going to control, bring out the repeat 10 block again, and ask it to repeat 10 times. If you have any question, quickly ask so I can attend to everyone. I want to ensure that we are all on the same page. How many of us has gotten to where I am currently? Give me a reaction.
Not yet.
Samuel is not there. Okay, who else is not there? I explained the repeat block last week in our last class. I explained it. So we are not supposed to find it difficult today. So Samuel, tell me where you are so that if there is something I can do to bring you up to speed. Samuel, turn on your video. I can't even see you again. Emmanuel, are you good? Elliot, are you good? Melody, Onyade. So Samuel.
I'm good.
Samuel, did you say you are good?
No, ma.
Okay, tell me where
It's
you stopped.
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, okay. What was the last thing you did? Okay, you know what? Let me quickly wrap up with the dot sprite. Then I want to share you.
You know, what you said where we did the motion block. After the motion block, I did not. The
Share
thing
your
that you
screen
said I
somewhere.
should see, I did not see it.
Share your screen somewhere. Let me quickly see what you're doing. Now, share your screen. I've stopped sharing mine. Who can remind me the project we are working on? Okay, go ahead, Onyade.
It's a
Dot
game
and
called
rock game.
Rock and Dot game.
Okay, rock and dots. Good. Samuel. Now, let's quickly bring Samuel up to speed. Can you hear me, Samuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you have 3 sprites up. We are working with just 2 sprites, not 3. You're going to delete the first sprite on your list there. Delete that sprite. We are not making use of it. No, that's not what you're deleting. Not dot. The first sprite. The sprite 1. Delete the sprite 1. Yes. Good. Now, when flag click, what do we, you've deleted your dot. Oh. Now, go to the sprite library and bring out your dot sprite. Dot, D-O-T.
I'm trying to press it, but I don't.
Press D-O-T on your keyboard.
There we.
Yeah.
Now, when flag click, bring out your when flag click block. So go to motion and bring out, go to X, Y. Go to X, Y.
Motion block.
Yes, that's it. That's the block. You are there already. Bring it out. Now, X is minus 196 and Y is minus 113. Yes, 196. 113. Minus 113. The number for your X is not correct. X is minus 196. Y is minus 113. Now go back to the event block. Bring out your when space key pressed. That block, the second block, is when space key pressed.
I press it. My dot has shifts.
Your what?
My dot has shifts.
Leave your dot alone. Now go to motion and bring change Y by 10 block. Scroll down. The change Y block is down. That's the change Y by 10.
My video. Change Y by 10. Change Y.
Somewhere, scroll down, go down. Change Y. No, it's okay. Don't scroll. Just look for change Y by 10. Yes, change Y by 10. Now go to control and bring out repeat 10.
Control. Repeat.
Yes, repeat 10. Put the change Y by 10 block in the repeat 10. Go back to the motion block, bring out change Y again. The change Y by 10 block.
I've seen it.
That is X, not Y. Scroll down.
The X is
Yeah.
That's the block. Don't you have scrolled past it?
Move your hand.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Change Y by sign.
That's not where you're placing it. Where are you taking it to? It should be after the repeat 10 block here. Now go back and change the 10 to -10 for this one. Now bring out the repeat 10 block again and put the change Y by -10 in the repeat 10 block. All right, you can stop sharing your screen. So you follow what we're doing now.
One.
Everybody go to the event block, bring out your when flat click block. Now we are going to be using a sound. We want a background sound here.
Ma, you're not sharing your screen. I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. I stopped sharing when I was attending to someone. Thank you, Onyade.
Ma, you're welcome, ma.
Yeah.
How about now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Great. So go to the event block and bring out when flag click block, and then you go to sound. We're working with the sound block now. We want to add a sound to our background. So you see this particular block, play sound until dawn. I hope we all saw it.
Nigeria.
Have we all brought out the play sound until dawn block? I want us to do something now. Do you know you can record your own sound?
Yes.
If you want to record your sound, did you hear that?
It's now that is out.
Now, I want us to record a sound. Everybody, click on the sound block here where my cursor is. Can you see it, Onyade?
Yes, ma.
Can you see it, Melody? Melody, can
Yes,
you see
ma.
where my cursor is? Now, Emmanuel, can you see the sound button here? Click on sounds. I want us to record a sound.
Yes, ma.
All right. So come here and click on record.
Okay.
Can you see what I'm clicking on?
Back and click. You click here.
You click
Then you
on the
click
choose a
record.
sound, choose a
Yes,
sound
record.
library. Go to the sound library rather. Then when you when you place your cursor on the choose a sound tool, now you move it up to the microphone icon, the icon that is the symbol of microphone. That's record. Now you can record a sound and then we'll save it. That's if you want to record your own sound. You might record a song, you might sing a song and record it, and you might also play a sound and record it. Do we all understand?
Yes, ma.
You can try it from your hand. Record the sound. You can play a song or you sing and then record and save. It will be in your sound library that you can always use later.
Yeah, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, she did.
I love you. You love me. We are a happy family. I love you.
Mute
You
your
love
mic. Who is the one
me.
singing? Please mute your mic when you're singing. What I want us to do is when you click on the sound I'm using now, I've actually changed my sound from the back sound, from this sound library here. You can see where I'm clicking on. From the sound library, click there to choose a sound. And then in the search bar, type XYLO. XYLO. And then select Silo 3. That's the sound I selected. Once you're done with that, you can go back to code. Then we proceed.
This is our sound library.
This is sound library.
When you click on sound, you will find the sound library and then you can proceed from there.
Sound library. Sound library.
This is sound library.
Then what's the name of the sound that we're looking for?
XYLO, Silo 3. XYLO. Then you find 1, 2, 3, 4. Select 3.
Goodness.
Go to the control block and bring out forever. We want this sound to keep playing. So you wrap the play sound until done block inside the forever block. That's what I just did.
What did they bring? You know they are pastors, Ali. You know what? So
now we want to move to our logs. We are done with our dots. We want to move to our rock.
Why?
Are you finding? Okay.
This is where we are going to be working with variable. Remember the video I played? When the class, hey, mute your mic, everybody. Mute your mic, Melody.
Now go to
Emmanuel, please mute your mic.
Control.
Melody, mute your mic. Can you hear me, Melody? Okay, good. Now, we want to move to our rock sprites. And this is where we'll be using variable. And who can remind me what I said about variables before we proceed? Oh, yeah. Elliot, I summarized variable before we started the class. Tell me what you think a variable is. Elliot, on mute. Now, what did I say about a variable? We're going to be using variable now. So you will understand what it is to use a variable. But before
Variable
then, we defined a variable. Go
are
ahead.
what is used to store.
Great. A round of applause for Elliot.
No,
Ali,
it's something.
remember the word storage. Good. Now we're going to proceed with our rock sprite, our rock word. So everybody click
Right.
on your rock sprite. You can see I've selected my rock sprite and we're about to code our rock. We are about to code our rock. When flag click, I don't want anybody to be left behind. We should all move at the speed of light. When flag clicked, when flag clicked. What should happen next? We want to set our score. And what are we going to be using to store our score? That's where the variable comes in. Now, let's all go to the variables block. Everybody go to the variables block and click make a variable. Make a variable. Now you name your variable score. Name your variable score. If you look at my screen, my stage has the variable score already showing. Did you see the magic? Have we all set our variable?
Yes, ma.
Great. Now, you bring out the set my variable to, then you now click on the arrow beside my variable and select score, because the variable we are working with is score. The variable we are working with is what?
Oh.
Score. How many of us have set our variable?
I don't understand. Which number
I
is
have mark.
Elliot, what did you say?
It's
I
Melody,
have.
ma.
No, Elliot said something. I'll come back to Melody. What did you say, Elliot?
I have.
You have set your score, right?
Wait.
Yes, ma.
Now, you know it's a game.
Wait.
It's a game. And when you're playing a game, you either win or you lose. Now, when you're winning or either you're losing, you want to be seeing your score. Oh, I've scored 2. Oh, I've scored 3. There has to be a storage. That's why I explain what variables are. Mute your mic, Melody. You're the one that doesn't understand and you're still talking. Who are you with there? So now, we want something to store our score when we are playing the game. When I'm winning, I want to be seeing my score. Oh, I've moved from 2 to 4.
What is what they
I've
said?
moved from 4 to 10. Where do I store this score? That's where the variable came in. I created a variable. It means I created a storage. I created a box to hold My score, that's the meaning of variable. I have created a variable called score to hold my score, to hold whatever I score when playing this game. Melody, how many times do you want me to tell you to mute your mic? Do we all understand variable now before we go proceed? Oyade, do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Samuel, do you understand? Samuel, can you hear me? Do you understand? Melody, do you understand now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma.
Okay, great. Now let's proceed. We want to set the position for our rocks. Where do we go to? You know, I set the position for the dot the other time, right? Now we want to do the same thing for our rock. Who can tell me what blocks I will be using?
Motion block.
Motion blocks.
Yes, when I get to motion, what will I do? I know it's motion. Now I have math motion. What will I do? I want to set position for my rock. Anybody?
Go to X, Y.
Great. Thank you. So we go to X, Y, and then we give a position. When we do
Go back.
207 for X and minus 152 for Y. Who remembers what I said about glide? We have explained the glide block. So we want it to glide for 2 seconds and go to minus x208, sorry, excuse me, and minus y 150. Somebody is still talking. Somebody's mic is not muted. Who is whispering? Is that you, Melody? Can we proceed? Now go to variables. Change my variable by, the variable here is score. Don't forget, we are working with the variable score. What we did there, what we've written so far is, when the flag click, when the green flag click, let our score be set to 0. We are starting from 0. Now, go to the position X and Y. We set the position for our rock. And then we ask it to glide for 2 seconds in X position and in this Y position that we have set, which is negative, towards the bottom of the stage. That's when you have negative. Negative means it's going to go, it's set towards the lower part of the stage. At that point, it should now change our score by 1. If our score was 0 initially, after go to X, glide for 2 seconds, the score is changed by 1. Now, if our rock touches the dot, you know we have 2 variables here. Sorry, we have 2 sprites. we have the dots, we have the rocks. If our rocks rather touches the dots. Now, before we do this, go to control and bring out the if then. This particular block, I will explain what we are doing here now. Go to control and bring out the if then block. Have we done that?
Yes, ma.
Okay, great. So let's go to sensing. Sensing is all about when there is a touch. Now, if touching what? Touching dot. Dot is the other sprite. Did you see what I just did now? I'm going to change mouse pointer to dot. If this our rock sprite touches the dot sprite, what should happen? If touching dot, then what should happen? Don't forget, this code is for rock. So we are now saying, if our rock sprite, if touching dot, that's sensing. When there is a touch, sensing. If touching dot, what should then happen? If then is a conditional statement. We are setting a condition that whenever our rock touches our dot, what should happen? If rock touching dot, then what happens next? Whatever happens next is the condition we are going to put inside this loop, inside this if then loop. Now, if touching dot, then say game over. Go to looks. Say hello for 2 seconds, and then you now change it to say game over. Say game over for how many seconds? For 0.2 seconds. Do we understand what I just did? Whenever your rock touches the dot sprite, you should say game over, because the rock is not supposed to touch the dot. Once the rock touches the dot, the game is over. Now, go to control, stop all. Now, there's something we want to do. From this particular block, from go to X, down to stop all, we want this step to repeat itself, to keep repeating itself. What block am I going to use if I want it to keep repeating without stopping? Who remember what I explained about this? Onyade, go ahead. I explained it in the last class. I can't hear you, Onyade. You are still muted.
repeat unto or repeat 10.
No. If you are repeating 10, you have given it the number of times that it should repeat. It's repeating until. You have given it a condition that whenever something happens, it should stop. But this time around, I said I want it to keep repeating without stopping, except I stop it by myself.
It's forever.
Great. Who said forever?
It's me.
What's your
Samuel.
name?
Great. Yes. Oyade, it's forever. If you remember the difference, forever means it should keep repeating itself. Nothing stops it until probably I just end the game by myself. Repeat 10 means it should repeat for a number of times, maybe 10 times, 5 times. Then repeat until is it should repeat itself until a condition is fulfilled. Maybe repeat until the space key is pressed. Do you understand now? So it is forever. Go to control and bring out the forever block. Thank you, Samuel, for that. You can see that it's game over. The reason is I didn't do anything when I click on the green flag. I just allowed it to, and you know the
I
condition
don't
we set
understand how you got stop all. Where did you get it from?
from control. You're playing this game with your space key. The rock must not touch the dot. Once the rock touches the dot, the game will stop. You see that? I'm moving up. Hey, game over. It says game over. And then, so when you're playing the game, the two must not touch each other. Once your rock moves and touches the dot, the game is over. All right, are we all done coding? Is there anybody that needs my assistance? So you can share your screen.
My mom is backing.
You said what?
Mom is backing. It's not sounding the way your own is sounding.
Yeah, so Nyade, you didn't change the sound. I explained how to change the sound. You were not listening. Now let me show you what you're supposed to do for the sound. Now go to sound. Here. Do you see what I've done? Click on your dots. That's where we worked on sound. Your dot sprite now. You should select your dot sprite. You should do what? Select your dot sprite and then you go to sound. Oyade.
I think I
You
know.
go to sound. Go to the sound library to choose a sound. Now I want to choose a sound. Now you can type X, Y, L, O. X, Y, L, O. Now the sound.
Miss Mercy, my rock is going on another side. It's not working.
I'm coming. Let me finish with Oyade, have you seen the sound? Oyade, I can't hear you. Have you seen the sound?
Yes, ma'am. Ma, which one should I press? Is it silo 3?
Yes, silo 3. That's the sound we're using.
still back. Ma, wait. Leave me. Ma, it's still backing. Mrs. Mercy.
Oh yeah, I'll stop sharing. You share your screen. Then who else said Sprite is moving somewhere else? Who was that?
That was Melody. It was me.
Okay, you share your screen too. Oh yeah, they share your screen.
Oh yeah, they share your screen.
Is this on your day screen?
Ma.
Now go to code. Go back to code. Now click on the arrow beside back to select this silo 3 sound. Yes. Now click on the green flag. I can't hear your sound. And your rock is moving in another direction. What happened? Click on the rock. Click on the rock sprite. Let me see the code.
Ma, clicked on it.
Your variable, you didn't set it. Change variable. Change my variable. Click on the arrow beside my variable and change it to score. That's why, yes. The variable you set is score now. So that's what is happening. Now click on the green flag. Stop. Click on the stop. What's it called? Change score by 1. Okay. Hold on. Glide 2 seconds.
Glide 2 seconds.
Click on the green flag. Let me see. Stop. I hope you were not playing this game when we were still setting the motion. Okay. Now go to variable.
That means variable.
Hold on. I'm trying to see what. Now go to your touching dot. Then
What did you say?
click on the dot sprite.
On the
Dot sprite.
Mommy, you're making noise.
Click on the dot sprite, Onyade. Yes. Just wait. There is something you didn't do. Is it that your attention was divided, eh? You missed out an entire code. Onyade, stop sharing and look at my code for dot.
I never missed the code. I did the
Okay.
same thing. I'll stop sharing.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Daddy, that was cartoon is disturbing.
Move, sorry. I want to see the block of code where you have the sound. It's not clear.
I cannot divide all of them. This one,
Can you do what?
I cannot really show my this.
No, you move it. Just, yes, move it towards the right. Drag that, you were doing it before. Use the, what's it called? The navigation bar. Yes. Where are you going to, Onyade?
But I said I'm just coming to my room. It was
Okay.
too loud.
All right. Go back to the code for the, what's it called? The rocks. That variable, I want to be sure you use it for all sprites. The rock. The rock is minus. Oh, I've seen it now. Your glide. You didn't set the right position for it to glide. Glide 2 seconds to x minus 208, y minus 150.
Wow.
That's why it's gliding up.
Ma, I can't hear you.
Minus 150.
Yes, ma, that's what I wrote for Y.
That's not
And
minus. There's no minus there. Look at it very well. What you have there
minus
is 150. It should be minus 150.
minus 150.
Now, click on the green flag. Did you see now? Game
Yes,
over.
ma. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Now, who else is
Melody was saying he is having an issue. The problem.
Oh,
Is this Melody screen?
Yes, ma.
When you are coding, you have to press the stop button. You are setting position and your game is still playing. You're meant to stop it before you change anything. When you're dealing with motion block, you have to stop your game. Now let's see what you have done, if it works. Your rock was moving and you are setting the position. You might not get what you want. Click on the green flag. It's okay now. So you use the space bar to play this game. When the rock is moving towards your dot, you use the space bar to move the... So are we all good? Elliot, are you good? Melody, is this Melody screen? Unmute and talk, Melody. I can't even see you anymore. Unmute and talk. Is Melody
Yes,
still
ma.
in?
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you, Emmanuel? Elliot, how about you?
I am confused. Yes,
And you're
ma.
not saying anything, Elliot. If I didn't call you, you will keep quiet.
Oh, no.
Stop sharing your screen, Melody. Now share your screen, Elliot. Share your screen. Let's see what's wrong with your code.
Don't go and save her own. Let me save it to play. I will beat you like this. Please. Show mommy. Calm down. It's called The Rock. The Rock. It's not The Rock on the